Show me your shakabula, doom, 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 doom. Show me your shakabula, doom, 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 doom. Hey, many women have been crying out saying their husband's cucumber is not working. Hey, hey, I carry good news come. Oh. If your spouse cucumber is not working well the way it's supposed to come, carry chair, come sit down. This video is for you. I said, show me your shakabula, boom, 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 boom. Today, my people, we're going to be talking about erectile dysfunction. What causes erectile dysfunction in men and food you can give your spouse. And you that is a man watching this video, food you can eat and fruit, natural Viagra drink. After taking like this, the sugar will do boom, 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 boom. My people, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Delicious Army. Over here I give you healthy tips, healthy recipes that help you live a healthy and a better life. Do well by liking the video, do well by subscribing to the channel, and tell me what country you are watching from. Don't forget to also join our channel membership for more detailed talk. What is erectile dysfunction? Caused by a failure in maintaining an erection during sexual intercourse. This happens by increasing the flow of blood to the genital area. When there is not enough blood going to the testicles, that will now go to the pimple. That will not make it stand shakabula, shakabula. That's when you see the woman shouting, you are a 2 seconds man. You don't want to be a 20 seconds man in 2024. That's why I'm making this video for you. So how can you, help your spouse, or you that is a man watching this video, how can you help yourself if you know you are a 2 seconds, I mean 20 seconds Indomie? One magic food, or I call it one magic food and one magic drink I bring to you today. Hey, the first one is bitter Kola. Small but mighty Odogu bitter Kola that helps to increase the shakabula, and also this Viagra drink that every man, woman don't take this one, it's for men. Every man is supposed to take, and every woman is supposed to be making for her husband. Let's start with bitter Kola. For people with low libido, bitter Kola can be your savior. Bitter Kola increases sex drive and improves the sexual performance of men who consume them. For increased effect, you need to chew the kola nut for at least 2 minutes before intercourse. This is one of the reasons that bitter Kola has gained its fame in the past few years. Have you guys noticed? In the village, all those old men that will still be giving people belle up and down. We say, why is it that men in the city, they are bitter Kola, they are shakabula, it's not working like all those old men in the village. Small thing, their wife will have like 7 children. It's bitter Kola. Let me expose their secrets to you. It is bitter Kola. Bitter Kola is one African food, or we call it African fruit. I would call it African seed, anyone you want to call it, that people have been using over the years. Men have been using over the years to increase the strength of their shakabula. And that's why I'm coming to tell you today. If you are a man watching this video, make sure you go and you stock up your house with bitter Kola. Take it at least 2 minutes, 2 hours before the work you require. But if you want more benefits from bitter Kola, I would advise you to reduce your intake on alcohol. You can't be taking alcohol every 2 market days, every 1 market day, and you expect bitter Kola to work well for you. You need to decrease your intake or alcohol and then take bitter Kola. And if you notice that after taking bitter Kola, you're not seeing the kind of results you want, please go and see your doctor. Go for seminal analysis, and know if there are other things that might be causing this erectile dysfunction. The thing is not standing the way it's supposed to stand. This bitter Kola is for those that have just problem. But there are people it's not serious problem. So if bitter Kola does not work for you and this natural Viagra, please go to your doctor and conduct a proper semen analysis so that they can know where your problem is coming from. Not just that, my people, bitter Kola helps many adults in their sexual performance. For married men, it is so important to keep and maintain in order to please your partner. You might find some medicines to improve fertility, but bitter kola is the best alternative if you want to improve your performance in bed with with your wife. See, let me tell you, bitter kola does not have any side effect. Oh, that is one sweet thing about bitter kola. It does not have side effect. There are people that have taken it for years, years in, years out, and they have not had any reason to come and cry to us. So if you're watching this video, you're a man and you're looking for ways to improve, your shakabula, bitter kola is the answer. Now that Viagra drink, I told you that every man, this is what they call every man combo. Every man should take is the combination of watermelon, lime, and ginger. Hey, this one, your dog will stand like this. Don't joke with this natural Viagra drink I'm giving to you. If you joke with it, you lose. Go and get watermelon. In this video, I will not tell you the health benefit of watermelon. I will not tell you. Go and watch my other videos. I will put in a link in the comment section. Go and get full watermelon. Get lime. I will put in the pictures here on the screen. Get lime. Get ginger. Cut the full watermelon into two. Then that half, cut it again. That is like quarter. Then the lime, cut it into two. Remove the seed. Remove the ginger. One thumb size ginger. Then you blend it together. After blending it, then you sieve it. Do this at least for 1 week. Do this at least for 1 week and you will see a difference in your Hey, this drink I'm giving you, it works wonders. It works wonders. Watermelon, lemon, and ginger. It works perfectly well. But let me tell you why this Viagra drink might not work for you, or the cola nut might not work for you. If you're having serious erectile dysfunction, let's say there are some things in your body that are not okay. Men have hormones too. It's not only women that have hormones. Men usually think that it's only women that have hormones. Men also have hormones. If you're having some hormones in your body that it's not okay, your sperm will not be working well. So for men that have been taking cola nut, taking this Viagra drink, and not seen any positive result, please go for a proper semen analysis. Let a doctor check you. Let them check your semen. Yes, and know the things that are not balanced there, and then give you medications for it. But you can still take that cola nut and the natural Viagra drink. They work, hand in hand. And also reduce alcohol, reduce stress. Our men now, they must provide for the family, but reduce stress. If you're a man watching this video, reduce stress. Stress is one of the killers, and the reason why it looks as if your sperm, is not functioning, or your it's not, rising the way it's supposed to, rise. So if you're watching the video as a man, try to reduce stress. Try to eat healthy diet. In the morning, you just carry bread and coke. Eat fruits, eat vegetables. By the time you combine all these things with a healthy lifestyle, tell me reasons why your dog will not stand well, except village people come poor and do that one. My hand no come dey. But just try out these tips I gave to you, and you definitely come back to this video and tell me thank you. That's all I have for you in this video, my beautiful people. If you want the full clip of the natural Viagra, join my channel membership over there. You have full access to all these videos. Thanks for watching to this very point. Do not to like, do not to subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.